How to make money online using ChatGPT in writing articles and copywriting. So I'll take you one-on-one on how AI will be able to draft your articles in a very clear way, also used in article writing. I'll come here, say, write a blog post of a dinner or fitness in an inspiring happy tone. Once we tell ChatGPT to write it, we'll see in a minute it'll be able to write that blog post of fitness in an inspiring tone. Once we're able to do that, I'll also show you a platform where you can make money online using the art of article writing and copywriting, to where you'll be able to charge services and get money online. So we can see it has finished. We can see it's drafting good content in 1 second. We'll be able to draft over 1 page. So once let us wait for it to complete. Once it is able to complete, I'll come and show you as it continues. I'll come here and show you there is a site called Fiverr. You will be able to leverage the skill of copywriting. We can see here, here there are different people offering services. We can see the first one is a top rated seller. He charges, I will deliver only copywriting, and you will he will deliver only copywriting. I do professional copywriting for website and printing, and we can see they are charging at $100. This one is the charges are starting at $180. Let us see the packages that this seller is offering. We can see other people. They will solve your copywriting needs at $35. So we'll open to the site, see what really they're offering, because we can say we write sales copy for sales, sale funnel, landing page, and sale copy. A basic package is at $180, where it is 150 words at $180, and we can see where 300 words are being charged $300, and we can see premium over 600 words will be charged $600. We can see it's live. So we'll come here and see and pick another seller who is doing articles. We go to their portfolio. We can maybe choose this one who does copywriting for your website. We can see their portfolio. We can see it is the gig is it's a high rated Fiverr veteran over 1,600 completed orders. We can see 500 words they are charging at $100. This is a top seller who have done here. At the moment they have 13 orders on progress, and you can become one using the skills that I'm teaching you using ChatGPT. We can see the profiles. He says he's a copywriter and a script writer, and let us go to their portfolio. Once we go to their portfolio, we'll be able to see what they are doing in their portfolio. We can see the projects that they are doing. We can see the moment they are doing Loan Society, where they are writing a brochure. Let us go to another now this is a blog article about the power of authenticity. So we'll come to our AI and we'll be able, I'll show you, we'll come and tell it write a blog post. We'll tell it write a blog post of the power of authenticity in a casual, professional, persuasive tone. Once we come to the tutorial, we can see the power of authenticity in article copy. The tone is casual and professional and persuasive. So the exact what they are doing, will come and tell the AI to draft us the same article, a blog post of power of authenticity on casual, professional, which is casual, professional, and persuasive. And we can say such a service, I'm sure the copywriter is charging almost they normally charge at $100 and above. And you can see these are live sites. So all you need to know is how to use ChatGPT. Once you be able to use the ChatGPT, we can see how the article post on the power of authenticity in a casual professional tone is being drafted. So we can see ChatGPT in 1 minute it will have drafted an article of over 1,000 words. And in case you're not happy with the article, you can always tell it to regenerate. I think the tutorial has met its target, where we can tell it, in case we need it to stop generating more content, we can always tell it to stop. So we can see how to it is giving us how to cultivate authenticity. In conclusion, it is giving us a conclusion of power of authenticity. And this is a blog post that we wanted. All we'll do is copy paste the blog post, go proofread it in our Grammarly, and we'll be able to come and provide the services like any other person here, the local sellers who are providing services like the power of authenticity. And they are telling you to contact them. We can see like here it is a landing it's a landing page copy of fitness. So I think the tutorial has met its target. This is lifestyle tutorials. Ensure you subscribe, like, share, and comment. We can see these professional copywriter who have done over 10,000 articles. They are making money online. They are charging number of words. If you need their premium package to do 500 words, they will charge you $100. Once you contact the seller, they are live. They'll be able to get back to you. We can see they even have a badge. People keep coming back. We can see you can even chat with the person. You can tell them, hi, hey, can you help me? And they'll be able to respond. Thank you for sticking with me. This is Lifestyle Tutorials. My tutorial was how to make money online using ChatGPT in the skill of copywriting and article writing and writing landing pages. Thank you for sticking with me in the tutorial. Thank you.